Hey guys, this is a tutorial on our typography lesson. You can see the one we did in practice. Okay, so I'm going to make a new one. I'm going to do it quickly. I'm going to click OK. I'm just going to leave new project. We can go up to 1,000. Create. Okay. Very first thing I'm going to do is write my name. My name. Again, you're going to put your first and last. This is just an example. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do Control J 9 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and move these out. Let's see. There we go. Move it out. Move it out. Okay, so on and so forth. I'm going real fast here. So I got to get back to my class. And let's see. Last one? Yeah. Okay. After that, we are going to go ahead. Let me get rid of this extra layer. Okay, so we got 10 of our names. My name. So I'm just going to go through this, change the size, change the color, and size, color, and font. Well, I'll keep the first one. Okay, now go to the next one. Change the color. Change the size. So we want to try to make these all different. So I'm going to go in here, change the font size. Next. Okay. Color. Click OK. Size. And font. And again, the font, none of this stuff matters as long as everything's different. Okay, so I've got 3 different ones. Let's go to the next one. Different color, different font, and different size. Good. Okay, moving on. Size, font, and color. All right. Okay. And let's see if we can move this. And I can resize it this way as well. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to stop there because you guys have an idea of what's going on. All right. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is arrange your layers. Okay. So imagine all these other ones, you know, different sizes and fonts and that kind of stuff. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to go highlight it, double click the T. That's how you highlight it. That's that little tiny T in the layers palette. And I'm going to warp it. Right now it's set to none by default. So I'm going to go to arc. And you can change its bend and its horizontal distribution, its vertical distribution, whatever you want. Click OK. And then you can also put a pattern on it. And there's other patterns inside there. I can also put a drop shadow if I wish, because I love drop shadows. Click OK. Now, if I wanted to, you don't have to do this for everything. You could rasterize it, and then now you can see what a rasterized layer looks different from a type layer. You can't edit the font anymore, but what you can do is you can go up to Filter and let's see, and change it this way. And so let's see, which is kind of cool. Uh-oh. Now, be careful because it gets out of control a little bit. And I'm going to click OK. So it's kind of strange, but at the same time, it's kind of fun. Okay. So you're going to do all these little techniques different for each word. okay, for each one of your names. Okay, so I want to make sure you do a different one for each sample, okay, because it's possible. Now, I'm going to highlight my layers by clicking on the top layer, holding Shift, and clicking the bottom layer, and every layer in between will get selected. I'm going to do Control G, and what does happen after that is it makes it into a group folder. So I can open it up like this and see what's in there. I can still, change stuff, but by putting it in a folder, it allows you to resize it and move it off to the side, and that way you can do 20 more names. Again, you can still, move some stuff if you wish, okay? But again, making it into a group gives you the option to add more of your names, okay? I'd also probably put a grading of some kind, just so it stands out, okay? So you can kind of play around with that. Okay, guys, I hope that helps, and can't wait to see what you did.